Kelly Lee McFrederick, Premier Sotheby's International Realty, downtown St. Pete, and of course, we're always doing something super fun. So here we are. We are at middle of March 2017, the very first Seafood Art and Music Festival 2017. And well, we had a lot of fun, okay? So first off, we had to have the oysters, then we had to have the crawfish, and then we had to have the king crab legs, and we had to have the shrimp, the potatoes, and the whole boil, and the sausage, and everything absolutely wonderful. So this runs from 10 o'clock today till 8 o'clock tonight, Saturday and Sunday. We want you to come in, but most importantly, we are supporting the Art Alliance of St. Petersburg. That's important. And anyway, I just picked up handmade scarves for my best girlfriends. And this store right here, she has all of the best hand-woven, beautiful shirts and scarves. So that's my mom's birthday gift for this year. Oh, and then we picked up the spices. And then I got a little piece of artwork when Jay and I were down in the Bahamas. It's going to be on acrylic glass, beautiful, of when the pigs swim in the Bahamas. The best underwater artist ever. But I invite you to come down. One more fantastic thing in the middle of March, downtown St. Pete, and it's very warm, as you can tell. So it's a lovely day. Welcome to the St. Petersburg Seafood and Art Festival. All the music in the background plays all night for 2 solid days. 727-410-3605. I'm always selling what I'm living, and we're here to support you and show you everything we have great about St. Pete.